Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Give advice to. The teacher counsels troubled students. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. A person who pleads for a cause or propounds an idea. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Push for something. Speak, plead, or argue in favor of. The doctor advocated a smoking ban in the entire house. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Someone who has supervisory duties at a summer camp. Someone who gives advice about problems. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Someone who has supervisory duties at a summer camp. Someone who gives advice about problems. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. A lawyer who pleads cases in court. Inform somebody of something. I advised him that the rent was due. Make a proposal. Declare a plan for something. Give advice to. Give advice to. Give an interpretation or explanation to. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. The act of setting and holding a course. A new council was installed under the direction of the king. The concentration of attention or energy on something. He had no direction in his life. The act of managing something. Is the direction of the economy a function of government? A line leading to a place or point. He looked the other direction. A formal statement of a command or injunction to do something. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. A message describing how something is to be done. He gave directions faster than she could follow them. A general course along which something has a tendency to develop. I couldn't follow the direction of his thoughts. The spatial relation between something and the course along which it points or moves. He checked the direction and velocity of the wind. The act of setting and holding a course. The act of guiding or showing the way. Something that provides direction or advice as to a decision or course of action. A professional person authorized to practice law, conducts lawsuits or gives legal advice. A professional person authorized to practice law, conducts lawsuits or gives legal advice. Speak with others about something, talk something over in detail, have a discussion. Speak with others about something, talk something over in detail, have a discussion. Speak with others about something, talk something over in detail, have a discussion. We discussed our household budget. To consider or examine in speech or writing. The class discussed Dante's Inferno. The state of being contented with your situation in life. He relaxed in sleepy contentedness. The amount that can be contained. What a communication that is about something is about. Satisfied or showing satisfaction with things as they are. A contented smile. The sum or range of what has been perceived, discovered, or learned. Something, a person or object or scene, selected by an artist or photographer for graphic representation. Usually plural. Everything that is included in a collection and that is held or included in something. He emptied the contents of his pockets. Make content. I am contented. Satisfy in a limited way. He contented himself with 1 glass of beer per day. The proportion of a substance that is contained in a mixture or alloy, etc. The property of holding together and retaining its shape. Considerable capital, wealth or income. The idea that is intended. What a communication that is about something is about. The choicest or most essential or most vital part of some idea or experience. A particular kind or species of matter with uniform properties. Shigella is one of the most toxic substances known to man. Material of a particular kind or constitution. The immune response recognizes invading substances. The real physical matter of which a person or thing consists. DNA is the substance of our genes. What a communication that is about something is about. A communication, usually brief, that is written or spoken or signaled. He sent a 3-word message. Send a message. Send a message to. She messaged the committee. Send as a message. She messaged the final report by fax. What a communication that is about something is about. Advise or counsel in terms of someone's behavior. I warned him not to go too far. Ask to go away. The old man warned the children off his property. Notify of danger, potential harm, or risk. The director warned him that he might be fired. Notify, usually in advance. I warned you that I would ask some difficult questions. Take to task. He admonished the child for his bad behavior. Advise or counsel in terms of someone's behavior. Warn strongly. Put on guard. Get or ask advice from. They had to consult before arriving at a decision. Seek information from. You should consult the dictionary. Have a conference in order to talk something over. Advise professionally. The professor consults for industry. Make a treatment inadvisable. Try to prevent. Show opposition to. Turn away from by persuasion. Try to prevent. Show opposition to. We should discourage this practice among our youth. Advise or counsel in terms of someone's behavior. Deprive of courage or hope. Take away hope from. Cause to feel discouraged. Turn away from by persuasion. Negative campaigning will only dissuade people. Force or impel in an indicated direction. Spur on or encourage, especially by cheers and shouts. Give bad advice to. Give bad advice to. Lead someone in the wrong direction or give someone wrong directions.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.